as the floodwaters start to recede in nearby Houston. Some residents there are returning home to try and assess the damage. NBC's Katie Beck there for us in Houston. Katie, what are you seeing?
Well, this neighborhood that I'm in now actually was 5 or 6 feet underwater. Homeowners are returning now. Many of them, to their surprise, to find their entire home on their front lawn. They're working with cleanup crews. They're working to get things back to normal, but it's a long process and sort of a devastating reality to look at all of this. Joining me now is Michael Wadler. This is your home here. Well, Michael, what do you think when you look at this?
It's just overwhelming. I mean, it's everything that we have. Everything is out here destroyed.
And you have in your hand there as family photographs, and tell us about this note here.
I found this note, and it was written by my mother, and she passed away last month, so it's kind of hard.
I'm so sorry. There's a lot of sentimental things that you've lost. Just to see all of this must be so daunting.
It's overwhelming. It's just overwhelming.
Well, let's take a look. I want to give people a look inside of Michael's home. This is obviously the outside where all of his mattresses, belongings, pretty much everything from the inside is here. We're gonna put on these masks because the mold and the smell is pretty bad. As you can see too, this is, Michael, the water line, correct, was about up to here?
Yeah.
Okay.
We had about almost 4 feet of water.
Okay. Let's take a look inside this home. Here. This would have been your living room and dining room.
Yeah, we've already ripped out the sheetrock. You have to rip it out so it can try to dry.
And you can smell that mold and water here. Not much left in here, Michael.
No, it's gone. I mean, we've flooded before, but we measured it by inches and not by feet.
Right. This would be the kitchen.
Yeah, this was the kitchen.
This was the kitchen. You showed me before, just to give you an idea, the fact that there is still water hanging around. This is just...
The water's, it got up above the countertops.
Yeah.
And so everything is filled with water and just destroyed everything.
Moving through, let's take a look back here. These are, this would have been your living room here.
Our living room. I mean, the water even got to the level of the television that was on the wall.
And let's go to that closet, Michael, where you told me about the keepsake. Sort of tell me what you're about to show us.
Yeah, I had, you know, in anticipation that there may be a problem, you try to put some of the things up. And I made sure and put our wedding album on the top shelf.
And there it is.
And it got saved.
That's the only memory you have of your wedding that's in a photograph right now.
Yeah, I mean, it's just something I wanted to say to make sure. It was still, you know, looking at some of the news reports during the flood, we saw water up to the rooftop, so I wasn't even sure that got saved.
When you came in and you saw that, how did you feel?
It's a relief. I mean, and that's some of the small blessings that you have is that coming through, and you see that, you know, a couple of things are saved.
A few minutes ago, you described this as apocalyptic, and you said to me, if I stop moving, if I stop cleaning, I'm just going to start crying.
Yeah, I mean, you know, one of the things that we do in our religion is when we survive a life-threatening situation, we say a special prayer. And this morning was the first time I could do that. I almost felt a little unsure if I should say it because I wasn't sure if we'd survived it yet, but we've still got a ways to go.
Yeah. Well, this is obviously, you know, your home that we're standing in, but it doesn't really resemble it much at this point, huh?
No, it's been destroyed.
Yeah. Well, we wish you and your family the very best in the recovery. We know it's going to be a long process, but thank you for sharing with us, and we're really glad that at least some keepsakes were.
A few things were saved.
A few things were saved. All right, Craig, that's an inside look at what a lot of the homes in this neighborhood look like right now. Lots of activity here as people try and salvage what they can and clean up what they can, trying to feel as normal as possible.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.